how to convert a normal photo object into the sticker in your Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily convert your normal photo object into the official sticker from your device. So what you can do is simply head over to any of your gallery and click on any random photo. Let's say I want to take this bike out from this photo to use it as an sticker. So what I can do is simply long press on it just like this. If you are using Samsung, this feature will be available. So, and once you do that, you can simply click on this save as a sticker option over here, and as you can see, it's saved as a sticker. So let me just show you. Or what you also can do is simply long press on it, and instead of saving it as an sticker, you can simply click on this three dot icon and save as image. And once you do that, it will be easier for you to send it as an sticker to other friends. So once you do that, you will be seeing such sticker as an image. So that is it guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.